Hey everyone, let's talk about a really quick trick that you can do to convert your MIDI into audio in Pro Tools. All right, so I have this session open as an example, and I have this keyboard-ish track, right? It's MIDI. So let me just play it so you can hear what it sounds like here. Here, I'll play right here. So it's kind of just some spooky background type of textural keyboard effect type of thing. So it's MIDI is the point. And I'm going to show you guys how to convert this into an audio file really, really quickly. So basically, I've gone ahead and made this track here. So it's just a stereo audio track. I made it stereo here. You can see that there are 2 meters here because it's a stereo track. And I did that because this track is a stereo track as well, right? So if this was mono, I would have made a mono track. But it's stereo, so I made a stereo audio track. So audio tracks hold audio, MIDI tracks hold MIDI. This is actually an instrument track, but you can tell in Pro Tools. Let me go over here. I'm getting distracted already. Here's my track. You can tell by looking at this icon here. So this is an instrument track. It has this little keyboard icon here. This is an audio track. It has this audio icon over here. So that's how you tell. Oh, and really quick before I forget, if you're doing this, you'll probably want to be in the clips view because it's easier to just click to grab an entire clip of notes instead of something like the notes view. So just click here and make sure you're in clips before you do this. So basically what we're going to do, and this is just a good habit type of thing, you don't have to do this, but it helps you not mess things up as much. So I'm going to click with my grabber tool, hovering on the bottom half of the track in the smart tool. So I'm going to click with the grabber tool to highlight my whole clip that I want to convert to audio. I'm going to go to clip and then time lock. And what that does is it brings this little lock icon up here. So you'll notice that the little lock icon just went active when I hit time lock. And now if I try to drag this back and forth in my session, it won't let me. It's locked it in time. So that helps me with my next step not mess up the timing on the audio track. So then all you have to do, and this is literally it. I know a lot of people want to make this more complex than it is, but all you have to do is just click and drag over from your MIDI track to your audio track, and then you'll see it goes to say bouncing, right? So it's processing this track into an audio track for me. And there it is. And so now if I solo this one, there it is. Convert it into audio. And that's how easy it is. It's really simple. And that's basically it. I'm not sure what else to show you guys. That's how you convert MIDI into audio. And I'm not sure there's anything else to be said about that. You can also then rename your track, right? That's a good habit. Rename it whatever you want to name it. But I think that's all I have to say on the topic for today. So as always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this type of video in the comments below. And I have a Patreon. It's patreon.com/CatoNoise. My patrons get access to additional content. I've really been focusing on the Discord server lately that we have. It's been a ton of fun hanging out on there. So that's available if you want to check it out. And other than that, I come out with new videos every Wednesday. And thank you for watching. Okay. So it's Wednesday right now when I'm filming this, and this weekend's Halloween, and I'm really excited because I have a friend coming in from New York that I haven't seen in years, and I'm really excited, and we're going to hang out, and we're going to do some Halloween stuff, and it should be good. I haven't taken a day off in forever, too, so I'm going to actually take a day off, like 2 days. I'm going to take 2 days off. It's going to be so good. So I hope everyone has a good Halloween. Or had, I guess it's had at this point by the time this video goes live. But I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're okay with these shorty videos every so often. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go eat some snacks, so talk soon.